Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Anima Prestige Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because it needed because it was leaking a lot through the spouts, and that was because the spouts were completely covered with coffee buildup. I have a picture right here where I can show you. This is part of the base of the spouts. This is where it was, most of the water was coming out from, but this is exactly where it was coming from. As you can see, there's a lot of coffee buildup right here, and there's only one tiny little hole to drain it. So coffee comes out through here, goes through here, and then goes out through the spouts. These spouts were completely clogged with coffee. We cleaned them up, remove all that coffee buildup. As you can see, was plenty, very thick layer of it, and then we just did a tune-up of the machine, service the brew unit, the skillet, clean the lower spouts as well, and just give it a good proper cleaning. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this machine. Then we're gonna be using the hot water of the machine. We will not be able to use any cappuccino, latte macchiato, or anything like that because we do not have the carafe. And right now I ran out of beans, so we're gonna be doing that shot again. As you can see, the grinder bean sensor definitely works. When there's no beans, it will get you that error. As you can see, this time we have beans in the hopper, so we had no error, and now it's extracting the way it's supposed to. Excellent flow coming out through the spouts. Before, all that coffee was coming out through this little chamber right here. Now this is completely clear, and as you can see, we have a nice steady flow coming out through them. Excellent color as well. Really good crema, working great. And now we're gonna be testing this side of the machine with hot water. I'm gonna put the menu on drinks, and then menu, drinks, and hot water. Will tell you to insert this little thing, and then once you do, it will let you pull out water from there. And as you can see, it's a nice steady stream as well, working excellent, really great temperature, really great flow. So there you have it, Gaggia Anima Prestige working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repaying me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.